Look, my thumbs are big. There's a lot of tips that you're not going to be able to fit. Even with this, there's very, very few tips that are going to be able to fit a finger with that type of width. So what you have to be able to do is to customize your nail forms. And one way, if I cut off one side of this form here, and then I cut off the other side of the form, we're going to take those two sides, we're going to connect them just like that. We're going to create this ultra wide nail form. I could also take this off and place it in between. Give it a little bit of support. Use your scissors or your cuticle scissors to be able to just kind of customize and clip away any excess that you have to the very, very front. But again, very manageable. You could always open up this back end. This back end doesn't matter. If I just kind of pre-pinch this front end like a handle, even as wide as my finger is, I'm going to be able to get my form, look at that, all the way on, flush to the front end right here. That way, whatever I build over the top, the acrylic is not going to be stuck here in the corners. I'll be able to build over the form nice and tight on both ends. Even if you were doing, let's say, a repair, sometimes someone comes in, they have a cracked toenail in the very, very corner, so you need to add a little bit of, say, fiber gel to that corner, a little bit of flexible type of enhancement to make that repair, you would be able to do that.